ध्रुवस्तुतिः ध्रुव उवाच योऽन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् ध्रुवः धास् महाप्राणः विसर्गा is dropped because of sandhi uvacha dhruva uvacha yaha antaha yontaha because of sandhi the visarga changes to upadhmaniya pravishya yontah pravishya because of sandhi mama vacham imam vacham imam because the first word ends in m vacham and the next starts with a vowel which is e so vacham imam prasuptam sanjeevayati akhila shakti dharaha is a compound word akhila khas mahapranah dharaha dhas mahapranah so now akhila shakti dharaha sanjeevayat akhila shakti dharaha because of sandhi the visarga changes to s there swadhamna is a compound word dhas mahapranah so sanjeevayat akhila shakti dharaswadhamna because of sandhi anyan cha now anyan ends in n now because of sandhi the n changes to anuswara which is a dot on top of the letter and then there is a sh which comes between the two words so anyamshcha hasta charana shravana twak k changes to g adin twagadin so hasta charana shravana twagadin is a compound word pranan namaha the namaha becomes namo because of sandhi bhagavate bha mahapranah purushaya tubhyam bhas mahapranah dhruvastutihi dhruva uvacha योऽन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् एकस्त्वमेव भगवन्निदमात्मशक्त्या मायाख्ययोरुगुणया महदाद्यशेषं सृष्ट्वानुविश्य पुरुषस्तदसद्गुणेषु नानेव दारुषु विभावसुवद्विभासि एकः visarga changes to su there tvam ekastvam because of sandhi eva tvameva ekastvameva bhagavan bhas mahapranah idam bhagavannidam because of sandhi atma shaktya is a compound word idamatma shaktya because of sandhi bhagavannidamatma shaktya maya akhyaya because of sandhi urugunaya is a compound word mayakhyayorugunaya because of sandhi mahat t changes to d because of sandhi adi ashesham mahadadi ashesham mahadadyashesham is a compound word srishtva anuvishya because of sandhi purushah visarga changes to su there tat purushastat because of sandhi tat t changes to d because of sandhi asadguneshu is a compound word tadasadguneshu because of sandhi purushastadasadguneshu nana iva naneva because of sandhi darushu vibhavasuvat bhas mahapranah the t changes to d because of sandhi vibhasi bha mahapranah so vibhavasuvad vibhasi एकस्त्वमेव भगवन्निदमात्मशक्त्या मायाख्ययोरुगुणया महदाद्यशेषम् सृष्ट्वानुविश्य पुरुषस्तदसद्गुणेषु नानेव दारुषु विभावसु वद्विभासि त्वद्दत्तया वयुनयेदमचष्ट विश्वं सुप्तप्रबुद्ध इव नाथ भवत्प्रपन्नः तस्यापवर्ग्यशरणं तव पादमूलं विस्मर्यते कृतविदा कथमार्तबन्धो त्वत् tu changes to the because of sandhi dattaya twaddattaya is a compound word vayunaya idam vayunayedam because of sandhi achashta vayunayedam achashta vishwam supta prabuddha is a compound word. The second dha is mahapranah. Visarga is then dropped because of sandhi iva susupta prabuddha iva natha tha mahapranah. Bhavat prapannaha is a compound word. Bha is mahapranah. Tasya apavargya sharanam is a compound word. Tasyapavargya sharanam because of sandhi. Tava padamulam is a compound word. Vismaryate kritavida katham tha mahapranah. Artabandho is a compound word. Dha mahapranah. Kathamartabandho. त्वद्दत्तया वयुनयेदमचष्ट विश्वं सुप्तप्रबुद्ध इव नाथ भवत्प्रपन्नः तस्यापवर्ग्यशरणं तव पादमूलं विस्मर्यते कृतविदा कथमार्तबन्धो